Need to know how to archive and unarchive messages in the Facebook Messenger app on your Android phone? Archiving helps tidy up your inbox by moving chats out of sight, making it less cluttered. On the other hand, unarchiving brings conversations back to your main inbox so you can easily access them when it's time to reply. Let's dive into how this works. First, open Messenger. Scroll through your chats to find the conversation you want to archive. Tap and hold down their profile. Now you will see the archive option. Tap on it. Now that chat is archived for you and won't appear on your normal feeds. To unarchive the chats, tap on the 3-line icon on the top of your Messenger menu. Then select Archive. You will see the chat you have archived over here. Just press and hold on to that chat and tap Unarchive. Go back to your chats menu and you will find that chat right on your inbox. And that's how easy it is to archive and unarchive chats on your Messenger app for Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's catch up soon.